Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Temperance. So, someone here is patiently waiting. Okay? And the Empress, Sagittarius and Libra energy. We have here the Eight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, Four of Wands, King of Swords, and Two of Swords. Okay. So, for some of you, parang ang lakas ng energy ng twin flame dito. We have the 11-11 card. We have here 7 of Wands sa bottom card. So, maaaring someone here is waiting for this union of hearts na sa mga twin flame. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo mga signs and symbol cards. So, ang lakas ng placement ng Libra dito. And Sagittarius na rin. Ayan. Tingnan natin. We have here the falling star, Aquarius, clover, doll, bird, closed book, and playing cards. Okay? Lock bottom card. So, nalak ka rito sa sitwasyon na to, no? And closed book. So, sinarado na to eh. Wala na rin kayong communication nitong taong to. Pero someone here is waiting, patiently waiting para bumalik or magkaroon kayo ng chance na pag-usapan itong mga hindi na napag-usapan before. Matagal na nahimik. Ayan, so may mga ano rin dito, plastic energy or mga hindi siya nagpakatotoo. May mga sinabi siya na walang katotohanan before. Ayan, pero you're still lucky. Mukhang with this falling star, it's a wish upon a star na pagbibigyan kayo na pag-usapan yung mga bagay na iniwasan nyo ng pag-usapan. Parang ayaw nyo ng pag-usapan pero darating din talaga yung araw na kailangan nyo magharap ulit nitong taong to. Lalo na at unfinished business to. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Anong message ng archangels natin? So, hindi habang buhay, iiwasan nyo ang isa't isa. So, we have here Relationship Harmony by Archangel Raquel. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. So, ayan. So, talagang, kung ano man yung nangyari before, mukhang it's about a second chance for you and this person. Lalo na kung unfinished business to with you and this person, lalo na kung twin flame energy or twin flame kayo or soulmates or kung ano man yung gusto nyong i-label sa connection nyo. I want to marry you someday. So, maaring, ito nga yung energy ng 11-11 card natin. So, this person really want to settle with you, have a family with you, to marry you in the future, or very soon. Letting you go, walking away. You're my inspiration. So, yung nag-walk away siya, nag-let go siya, pero ikaw pa rin ang naging inspiration niya. I will start to save money for the future. Here my wish come true. Ayan. Itong wish upon a star niya is ikaw pala yun. Please accept my cup of love. Moving forward and I'm proud of you. So yung bottom card, I regret rejecting you. So kung na-reject ka niya before, pinili niya yung karmic energy, karmic partner, karmic lesson niya. So, maaaring ngayon nagsisisi na 'tong taong 'to at gusto niya na talaga na ayusin kung ano man yung mga bagay-bagay na, nasira. So, mukhang out of the picture na ang karmic partner dito. I don't react when people mention you. It was my fault, but I blame you. I wish I had treated you better. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, spiritually guided nga itong connection na to. Strong divine counterpart energy. I knew exactly what I was doing. I'm becoming a better person. I lost myself for a little while, and I remember every detail of that day. So, malinaw pa rin, very clear, yung huling araw na nag-usap kayo nitong taon to, lahat ng sinabi niya sa'yo, na pinagsisihan niya yung iba doon, or halos lahat ng sinabi niya sa'yo. And I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, kuha tayo ng mga initials natin. Pwedeng initials ng pangalan nyo or anything na pwedeng mabuo na words na connected sa inyo nitong taong to. Okay. PR, D, U, M, B, J, S, K, X, N, I. So, yung bottom card, F. Ayan. So, let's see. Sa blue card, we have here, ayan, separation. Maaaring twin flames in separation. We have here destiny. Ooh. And all strings attached. So, maaaring kayo talaga ang destiny nitong taon to. Connected sa red strings of fate na tinatawag. Divine counterparts. So, tinan natin sa general signs and the messages. So, mga keywords na lang to, hindi na kailangan i-explain dahil alam niyo na yan. Ex-lover. Number 10, ayan. So, completion na talaga ng mga cycles. So, ayan, this person is patiently waiting for this to happen. Itong union of hearts nyo. Quiet person, very loyal. Eye contact, green-minded. Mountain card, so mukhang marami na rin kayo na reach na summit, goals, ganyan. And twin flame, ayan, confirmation na may mga twin flame energy, strong twin flame energy. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. January, lake, number 1, friendly, long distance. So, yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng long distance situation. Luzon, attractive, trustworthy, overthinker, flirtatious, flower farm, Pisces, chaser, and last card na sana to pero tingnan mo, gusto pa ng signs. Ayan, need more signs. So, kuha pa tayo. So, we have here July. Baka this coming July, mangyari yung meet up nyo or union of hearts. Popular, September, gorgeous, and practical. So, nahulog pala tong isa. May nahulog na isa pang card. South PH. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.